guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So headed to the house. We got 1 week left to finish everything on this house to meet our 2-month deadline of getting this house on the market, fully renovated. I just want to thank everyone that's been subscribing to the channel. It's been really hard to get these videos out, but I really appreciate everyone that subscribed. Once this reno's over, I'm gonna be able to have some more videos with the Lambo and the Sprinter. I want to do some off-roading videos and stuff like that. But yeah, in between selling homes as a realtor, doing this reno, and making the vlogs, it's been really hard to get the videos out. But once this reno is done, I'll have more time to do some more editing and some more fun videos. But yeah, let's go see what's up with this house and get this reno done. So the flooring is getting laid here in the front entrance. Porcelain tiles. This room, floors are all done. It's been painted. Gotta go get a mantle, a wood mantle for the top. And upstairs, kitchen is in, floor is all done, it's all painted, ready to go. We're waiting for the countertops, which should be in here shortly. So yeah, I'm gonna go outside and get this place painted in the front. So it's the front here that we're gonna be painting. That'll be all this that will get painted, and we got the both garage doors coming. New front door has also been installed. I'll put the little door knocker on there, and all the windows around the house have all been installed. So got the Sprinter out here. Alright, I'm here in the Sprinter. I'm at Wabashin, Ontario, about an hour-and-a-half drive north of Toronto. And I'm here. All I got is directions to come to a road, a green gate or light post, and I should be leading up. So I'm here. Hope this is the right place. The gate is locked, but all the way down there, all the way right down there, I see some wood up there. So I'm gonna go check it out. Hopefully I can find this fire mantle piece. Got the Sprinter. Camera surveillance, so I got my own camera. Go check this place out. So it's a pretty far place to come to get this fire mantle piece, but It's like $7 a foot up here compared to in the city, like $45 a foot. But I guess this is the right place. I got all the wood here. No one's here, but I'm pretty sure this is the piece. It's the only one leaning up here. Looks like a fire mantle piece. Appliances are in, countertops are in. You can see this quartz countertop, the waterfall that we have. Waterfall countertop. Let's see how it matches up here. Now this is a 7-foot island, which is nice and big, and we have a 10-inch overhang so that we can put some bar chairs in there. And yeah, it's all coming along. We still gotta put the backsplash in. And a nice big sink. So the washroom, all the fixtures are in. Just gotta do some grouting here. So this is the room. I just finished painting that black paper is just because I was just painting it. Painting the fireplace. It's this room. And we got the big, that's a 100-year-old bar beam that's gonna go right on top of as a mantle. And we got our light fixtures in. Floors here are all done. Just painting up the baseboards. The floors are done in here, the basement. So now what we have left to do is some painting down here. We gotta put the shower up, toilet paint, and what I'm currently working on right now is I'll probably put another coat of paint on the fireplace and the stairs. I've been sanding them because we're gonna change this stain to something to match the floor with white pickets. So sanding all this wood down to the bare raw wood, getting the old stain off. You see I still have some here that has to be taken care of. So I'll get working on that now and finish this staircase up. So let's get to work on these stairs.